Okay, so looking at super quickly, we had a lot of accumulation since 22, and then it finally went up, but it stopped. It stopped a lot of people, a lot of sales, but then it went up again without giving an opportunity for people to buy back at previous prices, which is the best thing for crypto asset to go up. It's like when it goes up like this, not giving much chance for people with sell positions or people who have sold their position and want to come back. And then when it finally breaks this previous high from March 24, it speeds up the high, which is normal because we had this previous resistance. It broke, and now it's gonna fight on this next big resistance on the 21 levels. Now in this position here, it's not so much looking at super that's important. It's more important to look at BTC and the broader market. And looking at the broader market, what I believe that's going to happen, and this is not financial recommendation, this is just the way, this is the wrong graph. This is just the way that I see the market, is that what it looks like for me, and again, it's not financial recommendation, is that it's going to continue to go up. Okay, so it looks like BTC is having a lot of retail investors to be afraid that it has gone up too much, and some people want to wait for it to fall so that they can buy for better prices. But many times in a scenario like this, what happens is just calls for sales, and people open sell positions, especially the retail. But then we can see that this, what used to be a resistance level, a resistance line, it was broken. And when it went down, it did not break it. If we give a zoom here, okay, so it's not a coincidence. Okay, this is an important line, and so twice it tried to go towards this line, and it was not successful. And this is very uncomfortable for people who are selling and for people who are waiting for it to go down to buy again. So what it looks like is that it can start escaping the 100 mark and towards 108. And then eventually people can realize that it might be not possible to buy at lower prices, and then it can continue to push the price up. Okay, so if this happens, and we go back to super. Okay, so if this happens, then there's a big chance that we're going to break away from these, breakout from this previous resistance, and possibly to a big jump. Okay, so of course, the opposite can always happen. This is not financial recommendations, just the way that I see the market. And even if BTC doesn't make this big movement up, now it's close enough to this mark that if the market thinks that it's gonna break out, it could even break out like some other crypto assets have. For example, with as we have seen with the Cardano, with the XRP, and with Uniswap and some others that have broken previous important resistance levels. All right, so that's it for now. Speak soon.